Okay, so today I have a Nokia C20 phone. It came in because it was hard reset and has a Google lock. So kinda went ahead and removed the screws. I'm to remove the back panel. I'm gonna pull the battery out. Then I'm gonna see on a GSM Arena and see what that phone is made of. So that's a C20. Okay. Okay. It's a Spectrum phone. Alright, so here we go. And I'm gonna use Nokia is 1399 is a C20, it's a Spectrum. It's an SPD phone. Okay. So both the options both basically do the same thing. If I was to click FRP erase, there has a test point option here. And we go Nokia C20 test point and zoom, and it will show you the test point pin or the location for test point. You can also Google it. So I'm going to do this thing. What I'm going to do, I'm going to use the test point jumper here to the ground, and I'm also going to put in the battery, right? And it's going to be hella complicated to show you this process, but let me see. I really need to probably set my GoPro if I'm going to be doing these videos, at least for educational purposes, right? So I'm going to rest my phone right here. Okay. So let me do this before I go. So this is the current screen. It's going to give the options for test points. And 90. Let me check here. And it's the same thing for Spectrum. Now I guess I can use NCK to do this, but you know, Honor tool is more convenient. So I'm going to rest this on top of my DC power supply tester. I'm going to plug in the USB card while holding the test point options. So I'm going to test point here to ground, and I'm going to add in the USB cable, and here. These are the options. Listen, I do have a cable that can do this, but the test pointing is just fun, and it took me a while to learn the test point options. So here, and that's it. The FRP is done for the phone. The phone will be here. Now I do recommend you doing this that your battery does have some charge in it to get this done. So this would be what this screen should look as. If you was to do the factory reset option, because when you put C20 you click this, it takes you to the screen. Let me show you. So if I was to click factory reset, wait for the screen to pop up, and then you would test point the phone to get the phone X. And this is a Nokia phone here. Okay, let's go. Skip. Hopefully it's successful. Lately, a lot of phones have been knowing how to test point particular phones. It's a good field of study, because then the majority of the phones, to do a factory reset or hard reset, knowing your test points and when to unplug the battery, when to have the battery in the phone, it makes the process a lot streamlined and a lot faster to get it done. Because I've been doing a couple of phones, I know there are a couple of Samsung phones, when you test point them, the battery needs to be unplugged. This phone, turns out that the battery needs to stay in. I am not sure if the battery needs to be, the battery can be out the phone. However, I have the customer waiting on the phone, so I'm not going to experiment. I'll wait till another phone comes in here to confirm the process for getting this done. So while the phone is getting ready, let me get the back cover, and I would just a sec, and I would put it on, screw the phone back up, and the phone up to the customer. This is going to run both video time. Let me try to make this short as possible. And there we go. Don't copy. Really? Not. Let me run this up again. I'll show you guys when I get to the next screen. Okay. So skip. I am gonna. I'm not gonna set a lock screen. I'm just gonna skip. Skip anyway. All right. Not now, I guess. And that is it. And that is how you set a Nokia C20. I would assume that the same process will work for any Nokia C series. Let me see something. Let me just be curious. Back out. So I guess someday would be a list of Nokia phones. Like this would be a MTK phone. This would be a Spectrum, Snapdragon, Qualcomm. Yeah, so there's quite a few phones supported here. So this is what I can show you guys today. I'll see you guys in the next video.